Have you ever felt like your duas are hitting a ceiling and coming back down? You've asked, you've cried, and you've waited, but nothing has changed. You start to wonder, am I doing it wrong? Or is Allah not listening? Today on God's Servant, we are talking about the secret of the acceptance of prayers. Because the truth is, Allah always answers. But sometimes we are so focused on the package we want that we miss the gift He is actually giving us. Let's learn how to unlock the power of dua. The Prophet Muhammad gave us a mind blowing secret. He said that whenever a Muslim makes a dua, provided it isn't for something sinful, Allah grants one of three things. The yes, He gives you exactly what you asked for, right now. The better, He holds back what you asked for to save you from a hidden harm, or because He has something much better waiting for you later. The eternal, He saves the reward of that dua for the day of judgment, when you will need it most. When you realize this, you stop being frustrated. You realize that no Ya Allah is ever wasted. It is either an investment in your life or an investment in your afterlife. If you want to unlock the doors of acceptance, you need the right keys. These are the adab etiquette of dua. Praise and salawat. Start by praising Allah and sending blessings on the Prophet. It's like opening the line before you start your request. The golden times, asked during the last third of the night, tahajjud, between the adhan and iqama, or while it's raining. Halal income. The Prophet warned that if your food and clothes are from haram earnings, your dua might be blocked. Purity in life leads to power in prayer. Certainty. Don't say, "Oh Allah, give me if you want." Ask with the absolute certainty that He is Al-Mujib, the one who responds. Sometimes our own actions create a barrier. If we are persistent in a sin we refuse to give up, or if we are heedless in our salah, we are essentially muting our own connection. But the biggest barrier is impatience. The Prophet said, "The dua of any of you will be answered as long as he does not become impatient and say, 'I made dua, but it was not answered.'" The moment you give up is the moment you might have been seconds away from the miracle. Stay at the door. Keep knocking. The king loves the persistent beggar. Your life is a story written by the best of authors. If he hasn't given it to you yet, it's because the story isn't over. Trust his wisdom more than your desires. Thank you for watching God's Servant.